I don't know, but this look is called As the Spirit Leads. I don't know what I was going for, but we ended up with something so beautiful and gorgeous. Hi GC Queens, welcome back again to another GC content. If you're new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Gold Obsession palette. This is what it looks like on the outside. It has this marble thing going on here with, you know, gold design all over it. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm going to play around with this palette, and you guys know I love Huda Beauty products. I could not resist this one either, so yeah. And if today is your first time here, kindly subscribe, join my family, thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'd love to see you in my next video. And don't forget to check out my other Huda Beauty reviews. So you guys know the drill. I would like to do my face with you guys, but I'll fast forward it. That way I'll show you guys how I came out with a flawless finish. You guys know how we do it here. So yeah, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face. This is the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Mist. So I got the Huda Beauty foundation. This is my first time trying this foundation. That's why I'm hydrating my face. And this is in the shade Mocha 500G. Okay, so now we're going to go into the palette. I'm going to swatch it so you guys know what it looks like then before we apply it on the eyes. So I'm going to start from this. I'm going to start from this first row like this, and yeah. So now that we've swatched all this, let's just get into the eyes. I'm going to go in with my concealer to prime my lid. I'm going to just put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to hold any fallout. So I'm going to start off with this shade here. So I'll use this shade next. I'll use this shade here just to diffuse the edge. Okay, I just sprayed my brush now and I think it's appearing more better. So I'm going to try this shade here. I don't know how this shade is looking, but yes, white. I use this shade here, so I'm going to top it with this shade. So I'm going back with this bright golden shade here. I'm applying it on that area we applied it before because we kind of lost it. So I'm using this shade here on my lash line. I'm going to put on my lashes and finish the rest of my face. So guys, I'm back. I'm going to line my lips using the MAC lip pencil in Night Matte. I don't know the lips I'm going for, but hopefully. I'm going to use this Fenty lip stunner in Unmatched. I don't know, like guys, I don't know how this thing is going to turn out, but should I go for a nude lips? I don't know. Let's go with a bold lips. Dun 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 dun. For my inner tear dot, I'm going to go into this shade here. For my under eye, I'll go into this shade. I don't know, but this look is called As the Spirit Leads. I don't know what I was going for, but we ended up with something so beautiful and gorgeous. And yeah, I know you love it. If you're still watching me up to this time, you're not subscribed, like, come on girl, didn't I do well? Subscribe, okay? Yeah, let me give it to you again, another star. Again. So yeah, let me give you guys my final thought on this palette. This is the Gold Obsession palette if you're just clicking in. So guys, this is the inside of this gold palette. You can see this gold here, which looks so amazing, and this one here, which also looks so amazing. I love these two shades in this palette, and of course this dark shade right here. I love the color story going on here, but after using this palette, I can still see that there's little bit of fallout. This palette is gorgeous. If you're someone who don't care about fallouts, then you can definitely go for this palette, especially for the sake of these two gold shade here. That's the more reason why I got them. I'm not mad at all. I'm not disappointed because they came true. I love them. You can see I used both shades on my lid. This palette is sold for, I'm not sure of the price because it's in pounds, so I'm going to put it on the screen. It's not bad for the price. In dirham, I think it's 130. If you're watching me from UAE, it's 130 or so. Yeah, I'll also put the correct amount on the screen. This palette is Huda Beauty celebrating her 5 years with Cult Beauty, I guess. So yeah, I love everything about this palette. It did blend out very well, which I'm not also mad about it. So if you're someone who loves gold, like the color story going on my eyes, then just try this palette is so pigmented. But if you hate fallout, there are lots of fallout in this palette, so me, I didn't mind because I know that I'll definitely put a setting powder here to catch the fallout. These fallouts do happen if you use just your brush. If you spray your brush or use your fingertip, I think it will minimize the fallout. Overall, I'll give this palette 80 to 90 over 100. It's not 100% like other khaki and haze, all those ones I reviewed, and the Naughty palette. This one is good. What I went for, I got it. But if you're someone who is looking for, oh, I need this palette for every shade there, just be sure to know how to work with them. I believe they will also work well. I don't know what else to say, but it's good. If you do enjoy my video and enjoy my tutorial and makeup look, kindly subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 1,000. Thumbs up this video if you like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to check my other Huda Beauty reviews. You will enjoy them, I promise you. Yeah, I want to see you in my next video. As always, I love you guys. Bye.